Hi Renee, what are we doing?
Hey, we are staging a house on Winans Lake, beautiful ranch home that is getting ready to be listed. It's coming soon. It'll be live on Sunday. We're going to have an open house from 1 to 3, and no makeup, dressed casual because we are ready to make this place look beautiful. We've got a lower level game area, fireplace, a walkout. This could be a 2-family home. I've got a bedroom here. Chance is in here getting the boys' room ready. Hey Chance, how are you? Chance is one of our new assistants helping with our staging. And we've got a full bath down here, a laundry facility, plenty of space. And then as we go upstairs, and the beautiful brick throughout on the fireplace is pretty amazing. Completely updated kitchen. Again, we're in the process of staging, but beautiful kitchen with granite, stainless appliances, hardwood floors, beautiful view of the lake, open floor plan in the kitchen, and it will be live today as a coming soon for Sunday. So give us a call, 517-404-4270.